Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix iPhone camera not working issue after iOS update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, there are some solution that you can fix it. The first solution to the problem is that you can just restart your device. Sometimes restarting the device may solve this problem. And after restart, try to check your camera, try to open it. After opening your camera, if it is not solved yet, then you can just go for the second solution. The second solution to the problem is that you can just go to your settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security, click on camera and make sure that you have selected all these options. Just turn all these options from here. Now go back. Now long press on camera, click on remove app, click on remove from home screen. Now go to your app library. Now from here search for camera. As you can see, camera is here. Just long press on it, click on add to home screen again. Here you can see it has added to the home screen. Now check it again for the solution. Now again, if your problem isn't solved yet, then you can just go for another solution. You can just go to your settings. Now from here you can just reset all settings. So for that, go to general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and here you can see reset all settings. But before reset all settings, you can try another thing. Just go back. Here you can see software update, click on it. If you have any update on your device, just update it immediately. And if you are up to date, then you can just reset all settings after all the things you have tried. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.